So Bill, Cunningham's Gap project is it's a really interesting project. It came about as a result of the bushfires in December 2019. Cunningham's Gap, the top of the Cunningham's Gap, was burnt quite severely in those fires, and there was a fair bit of damage associated with the uphill slope and the downhill slope, and damage to the road itself. And so this project is about restoring the road or repairing the road following that bushfire damage. It's being completed by the Natural Disaster Program within TMR. The project itself will be quite challenging. It's going to take some time to repair this site. We've got a lot of constraints. It's a really difficult site to work in, very tight constraints, tight confines. It's remote. We've got these upslopes and downslopes. We've got a lot of hazards that we've got to deal with for the safety of our workforce crews. But we're really excited to get going here. The project's commencing now. It's going to make a big difference to the safety and the functionality of this road. Safety will improve a lot as a result of the works that we're going to do here. We'll be restoring some of that damage and really making the road safe again for vehicles to get through. Because it's a tough project, it is going to take some time. That will mean traffic impacts. We've spoken about that. It will mean there will be some stop slow, and even at points there may be a need to detour vehicles. We may need to close the highway fully. They will be short term in nature when we have to do that, and we really will have a focus on ensuring that we are keeping vehicles moving through this site. We know the importance of this road, this highway. We know the importance of it as a freight route to Warwick, to Goondiwindi, to those western towns and districts, and we know the importance of heading back east for freight routes and for the travelling public. So there will always be a focus on ensuring we're keeping it open as much as possible, doing the best we can to keep motorists moving through this project site.